Cloves are the flower buds of the clove tree, an evergreen also known as Syzygium aromaticum native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. Cloves have a sweet, slightly bitter taste and are highly fragrant. They are commonly used as a spice in cooking and baking. Cloves have also been used as natural remedies in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicines for thousands of years. Cloves are an excellent source of dietary fiber, minerals such as manganese and potassium, and essential nutrients like vitamin K. Clove extract contains flavonoids, beta-carotene, thymol, eugenol, benzene, and other organic compounds. Chewing 1 clove daily can significantly enhance your health. It boosts saliva production, aids digestion, reduces nausea and acidity, and more. Be sure to stay until the end to discover all the 11 health benefits of cloves and how to incorporate this powerful spice into a well-balanced diet for optimal well-being and different medical uses. Before we start, please note that all content in this video has been fact-checked and reviewed by certified nutrition and health experts to ensure that we provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date insights. Number 1. Cloves protect against infections. Cloves contain eugenol, which has antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Cloves help protect against infections from various organisms, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which can cause food poisoning. Clove essential oil can also increase white blood cell count, suggesting an immune-boosting effect. Number 2. Cloves have an analgesic effect. Cloves have analgesic properties due to eugenol acting as a natural anesthetic. They can relieve muscle and joint pain, headaches, and even toothaches when applied topically or consumed. Clove extract is beneficial for reducing stress and mental fatigue because of its positive impact on the circulatory system. Number 3. Cloves regulate blood sugar. Cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, as it aids in better insulin function and blood sugar control. Studies on diabetic mice have shown reduced insulin resistance and improved glucose metabolism. Consuming 1 to 3 grams of cloves daily for a month can help individuals with type 2 diabetes manage their blood glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. Number 4. Cloves help with dental pain. Clove oil has been used traditionally for oral health. Due to its antimicrobial effects, it can numb toothache pain, prevent dental erosion, and reduce plaque and gingivitis. It helps decrease oral inflammation and harmful bacteria, promoting better oral hygiene. Number 5. Cloves promote liver health. Cloves support liver health by promoting new cell growth and reducing signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. Their hepatoprotective properties help counteract oxidative stress in the liver. Eugenol in cloves has been shown to improve liver function in animal studies. Number 6. Cloves aids in respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties of cloves make them beneficial for respiratory health. They can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and coughs by loosening mucus and reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract. Number 7. Cloves improve digestion. Clove oil can aid digestion by increasing gastric mucus production, which protects the stomach lining. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, enhancing digestion and reducing symptoms like nausea, bloating, and flatulence. If you enjoy this video, show us love by hitting the like button. Number 8. Cloves promote bone health. Clove is packed with manganese, a mineral that works with calcium to build your bones. 1 teaspoon of clove contains over 50% of the daily recommended manganese value. Manganese is essential for bone formation and maintaining bone density. This mineral helps prevent osteoporosis and strengthens bones. Number 9. Cloves enhance sexual health. Cloves have been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac. They can help improve sexual health by enhancing libido and sexual performance, thanks to their ability to improve blood circulation and energy levels. Number 10. Cloves anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Consuming cloves can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Cloves inhibit inflammatory enzymes, lowering the risk of health issues such as heart disease and cancer. Number 11. Cloves insect repellent. Clove oil is an effective natural insect repellent and can be used topically or around the home perimeter to repel insects. Eugenol in clove oil has insecticidal properties that repel various insects. It is particularly effective against mosquitoes, flies, ants, and other pests. The side effects of cloves. Cloves add a strong flavor and are generally safe as a spice. However, consider the following. Eugenol can interact with certain drugs, like warfarin. If you take this medication, avoiding clove oil and tea is best, but small cloves as a spice should be safe. Hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, can occur when blood sugar levels drop too low. Clove can help lower blood glucose to safe levels for people with diabetes, but too much clove can cause harmful hypoglycemia. Clove essential oil has much more eugenol than whole or ground cloves. Swallowing pure clove oil can be toxic, making you dizzy or causing other symptoms. Although cloves have numerous health benefits due to their abundant minerals, vitamins, and antimicrobial properties, they work best to improve your health with a balanced diet. Add ground cloves to your chai latte, green tea, meats, and desserts like gingerbread cookies or pumpkin pie. Try experimenting with this aromatic spice for its beneficial health elements. If you're curious about magnesium-rich foods, check out our video on the top 9 superfoods and marine magnesium benefits. We appreciate your support and feedback. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe now. Thanks for watching.